In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge to individual PDF files using Microsoft Word. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to generate a separate, personalized PDF for each entry in your mailing list, all in one smooth process. First, let's talk about what we're trying to achieve. A standard mail merge in Word lets you create personalized letters, labels, or emails based on a data source like an Excel spreadsheet. But by default, Word usually outputs one long document that contains all of the merged letters together. What we want instead is a separate PDF file for each record, such as one PDF per customer, employee, or student, ready to send or store individually. To start, make sure you have three things prepared. You'll need your main Word document, which will act as your template, your data source, usually an Excel file with columns like name, address, account number, or anything else you want to personalize, and a place on your computer where you'll save all the generated PDFs, such as a dedicated folder. Open your Word template and go to the Mailings tab. Connect your data source by choosing Select Recipients, then picking your existing list. Browse to your Excel file, confirm the correct sheet, and make sure Word recognizes the header row. Once connected, you can insert merge fields into your document, such as first name, last name, or any custom fields from your spreadsheet. Place them exactly where you want the personalized information to appear. Now, run a quick preview using the Preview Results option. Move through a few records to check that names, addresses, and other details are pulling in correctly, and that your formatting looks clean. If anything looks off, go back and adjust the wording, spacing, or fields before generating your final files. For creating individual PDFs, you'll typically need an add-in or a feature that lets you split the mail merge output into separate files automatically. Configure it so that each record is saved as its own PDF. Choose your destination folder and decide how you want to name the files, often by using a unique field from your data, such as an ID number or full name. This helps you stay organized and quickly find documents later. Once everything is set, launch the Merge to PDF process. Word will go through each record, create a personalized version of your document, and save it as an individual PDF in your chosen folder. When it's done, open the folder and spot check a few PDFs to confirm that each one is personalized correctly, named properly, and ready to send or archive.